Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we'll learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of a project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, gents half sweater, full sweater, baby sweater. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 6 rows, repeat pattern, cast on multiple of 3. Cast on multiple of 3. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 15 stitches on my needle. 15 stitches multiple of 3, 5 times 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 3, 15. And here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side, first row right side, knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. First row is completed. Now second row, wrong side. In this row, pull these all stitches till the end of row. Pull edge from wrong side. Now this is third row and right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Pull 1, yarn in front and slip 2. 1, 2. That's our repeat from here to here. Pull 1, yarn in front and knit 2. This is 3 stitches pattern. 1, 2, 3. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Pull 1, yarn in front, slip 3. Slip 2. 1, 2. Again pull 1, yarn in front, slip 2. 1, 2. One more time. Pull 1, yarn in front, slip 2. 1, 2. Here we complete 4 times. Repeat pattern. Last 2 stitches. Pull 1 and knit edge from right side. Third row is complete. Now fourth row, wrong side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Pull 1, yarn in back, knit 2. 1, 2. Yarn in front. That's our repeat from here to here. Pull 1, knit 2. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? So pull 1, yarn in back, knit 2. 1, 2. Again yarn in front, pull 1, yarn in back, knit 2. 1, 2. One more time. Yarn in front, pull 1, yarn in back, knit 2. 1, 2. Here we complete 4 times. Repeat pattern. Last 2 stitches. Pull 1 and pull edge from wrong side. Fifth row, right side. Again knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. Fifth row is complete. Now sixth row, wrong side. Again pull these all stitches. 6 row is completed and our pattern is also completed. So again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1 to 6 rows, and after repetition of 6 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects of hand. If you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.